Look who I have today. I have Sam, all the
What's
way
up?
from Chicago.
Hell yeah.
Let's go ride this thing.
Hell yeah.
Let's see what Sam's impression of the market parking garage elevator is.
Oh, this is so funny being here, even though I've seen it like so many times on videos. Like it's weird to be in here in person.
Well, here it is. Let's see what Sam thinks of this elevator.
Oh man.
Send it up to the top floor.
Woo!
Tree level. You're gonna see the famous view.
Oh man. Wow, Wells Fargo. That used to be Wachovia, didn't it?
Yep.
Is that turnstile?
The security desk is literally right out in the lobby.
Oh. Might be worth just a try tomorrow, unless you don't want to do it. How many floors is it?
Like 20, I think.
Oh, nice. Purposeful?
One thing, these windows have gotten really dirty. Look at that.
Yeah, Jason wrote that.
Let's see how many of the numbers work. 4 works. You tell years ago someone punched that. This is insanely tall for a hydro.
Yeah, for real, yeah. Can we go ride the other one too?
We can.
Dope.
It's so quiet in here. Yeah, well, Wells Fargo is probably not a good idea.
Ah, okay. I figured.
I mean, the way it used to be, yeah, but
Oh, this goes up. Oh, they extended this so it goes all the way up to 9, huh?
what goes to 9?
The stairwell there.
Yeah, but there's a hotel key card here.
Oh, yeah, I was about to
to
ask.
get up to the.
Oh, that's a dealership car.
It is.
Huh. That's odd.
Oh, look at my employer sponsor. A bike repair.
Well, that's nice. And they don't sponsor.
This one has a better motor.
And they don't sponsor letting you off at your actual time that you're supposed to be off, huh?
Yeah, hold on just a second.
Oh, will do.
Now we're back at the Luck Avenue elevator. This one has a better motor, but the view is kind of.
The weird side window
Nah.
one.
The chime still works a little bit. Oh, this one G lights up.
Oh, this does have a better motor, yeah.
These elevators are a testament to Dover's quality.
For real. Whoop!
A little bit low.
Did you get to ride some old Dovers when you were in Denver?
I don't. I'd have to look. We weren't in Denver long. Watch how smooth this is going down.
Oh yeah, this is pretty quick.
Yeah, it starts off very smoothly.
125.
This is like a good 70, 80 feet tall.
Oh yeah. Wonder why they chose to make these Hydra with center in the square attraction.
I don't know. Center Square was built back in the 80s.
Oh, okay, yeah, because
It's 1981.
center in the square is considerably shorter than this.
Oh yeah, it's only 5 floors.
That's it.
That'll be it.
Level G.